Hi, I'm Ben Dunning. I'm 44 years old. I live here in Southern California with my wife Ann and my daughter Valentina. We moved here from San Francisco to Southern California about 3.5 years ago. I'm in the high-tech industry. I've been in the business for 23 years. My wife Ann owns her own beauty line and also is a PR for startups. We moved to Southern California to get away from the hustle and bustle of the city life and to live more closer to nature. So here in the house we have a lot of electrical requirements. I have my office with all my computer equipment that I use every day for work. We have 2 refrigerators that we also need power for. We have electric cooking as well as an electric microwave. I have my EV, which I use on a daily basis, as well as a electric barrel sauna as well. In our house here, we have a few different ways we create power. We're connected to the traditional grid here in Southern California. We have about 20 solar panels, or about 5.1 kilowatts of power being generated from the roof, as well as I also have a propane generator. All of these methods of generating power I plan to use to help recharge the EP800. Really a few things we're trying to protect against. Here is rolling blackouts. So we have tons of wildfires. There's been 2 wildfires since we moved in 2 years ago that caused power outages across our neighborhood. And really my concern is to ensure the safety of my family and my daughter, and so we really need heating and cooling in times of need. It gets to be about 110 degrees during the summer. That's when power outages are most likely to happen, and that's when we need our cooling system the most. The other thing that has been worrisome here in Southern California is we have the most expensive electricity prices in the nation. During the peak season, it's about 60 cents per kilowatt hour. And so the idea that I can load shift and peak shift electricity and switch over to my battery from 4 to 9 p.m., which is when electricity costs the most, it's going to pay off huge dividends at the end of the year. Part of what drove us to move out of the city and really out into nature is to live a more sustainable life, but also to gain some independence from the costs that are associated with creating power. One of the more important things to me as I was looking at companies to partner with regards to my battery backup system was the ease of use and the application integration and how I can actually manage the power within my home. It was incredibly important to be able to shift load from 4 to 9 p.m. and I wanted to be able to do that in a simple way. Part of this whole idea of energy independence and what really drew me to these types of products. Here in California, we have a monopoly really within our energy system. I have one power company I can go to, and just this year they raised the price nearly 8%. And so the expectation is that 8% and 8% and 8% is going to happen year after year after year, and I have no other options. And there's no competition in that market. And so I see the battery backup system as a way for me to gain that independence from the power companies and allow me to the freedom to be able to use the grid when I want to. The installation personnel were fantastic to work with at BLUETTI. They came in and did a design with me. Were very consultative about the energy that I'm using today, how it's going to be able to, what circuits that I can implement into this environment, and they installed in a single day. It was really simple and easy, and I really enjoyed the service personnel that helped me out.